Hi everyone, it's Bridget. I thought this week for a video I would show you my process of doing my resin Christmas ornaments. Here I've mixed up my resin with the colored pigment. Now I do paint the base of my substrate ocean colors, and I do add vinyl sharks or turtles, stingrays on the base, and I heated up the resin just to make it easier to work with as I'm moving it around my substrate. And once that's done, I'll heat it up again to get any bubbles out of it. And I'm doing the same for this one. Now that white on the top is where I've masked it off with masking tape, and that I will take resin and mix some silver pigment with it, and that will be the top of the ornament. I do not show that in this video. This is just me creating the beach waves on a few of the ornaments. There's nothing more satisfying than to watch a resin artist create their pieces. Here I'm using a white pigment and I mixed it with the resin, and I drizzle it onto my piece, and then I take my heat gun and heat up that, kind of blow dry it, for the lack of a better explanation, and it makes the waves. Now making waves is a hit or miss for me. Sometimes I get the perfect waves and no two pieces are exactly alike, and sometimes they're completely wrong and I have to scrape them off and start all over again. On this one, you saw me bring in the butane lighter and heat it up a little. The resin had been sitting on this for a longer time, so the resin got a little cold, not really cold, but heating it up makes the cells react better. So here I just poured a little extra resin on there. I must have had a divot, and just fixing that. And then once again I come in with my white pigment along the sand line. Now these have sand on them, as the previous one did, but the ones before that didn't. And then I create. I think the problem, see, now that's a lot of wave for me, and I really didn't like the way that one turned out. But you know, somebody else might. It's a stormy day at the beach, maybe. So we've come to the end of my video, and I just wanted to thank everybody for watching. Please click the links below and follow me on all my social medias for more videos to come. Thanks everybody, and have a great day.